What's up, family? It is your favorite author and storyteller, Matt D. Talford, coming to you with a quick video. What are we talking about today, Matt? Today, I'm being led to share with whomever needs to hear this message that it is time for you to now make your move. We are now in Libra season. Libra is the seventh sign of the zodiac, and we are in a 7-year. 7 also happens to be the sign of completion, all right? There's 7 days in the week. On the 7th day, God rested from his labors, okay? 7 is a very powerful number. So, whatever it is that you've been waiting for, whatever it is that you've been waiting for the right moment to do, you're like, I don't know if I should do this. Listen, now is the time. I've been guided to tell you that now is the time. Don't wait. Now's the time to act. You must align yourself with the energy that is present in the cosmos, and the energy that is now present in the cosmos is the energy of balance. So whatever it is that you need to bring back into balance and restoration in your life, now is the time to do it. Don't wait. Don't wait. Don't let this season pass you by without bringing balance, harmony, and restoration back into your life. All right? It's Libra season. Get in it. Get in it. Stop waiting. Now's the time to get moving. Go. Go. The Spirit said go. Don't wait anymore. There's a lot of things that are being balanced in the world right now. There's a lot of balance that is coming into the earth. There's a lot of things that we're going to see uncovered. Listen, I talked about this at the beginning of this year. Earlier on in the year, I said a lot of folks are going to be getting revealed. A lot of truths are going to be being revealed. I had no idea that in Libra season, a lot of things were also going to be brought back into balance. A lot of the paths that have been crooked for a very long time are being made straight right now. What's so significant about right now? We're at the end of an age. We talked about that. We have talked about that. We're at the end of the age of Pisces, which is the age of believing, and we're at the dawn, at the cusp of the age of Aquarius, which is the age of knowing. We don't believe anymore. We know now. We know now. And so I'm here to tell you that just know this. It is time for you to bring balance, harmony, and restoration back into your own life, back into your own world, your own identity, your own day-to-day operations, whatever it is that you're doing. If it has been out of alignment for however long, it's coming back in right now. And it's going to be brought back into alignment before or by the end of this Libra season. But there's one thing that is required, and that is for you to act. And we know this, those of us who believe, we know this, that when the Spirit of the Most High God is moving you to act and you don't, but he requires you to act, it might be painful, but you're going to act. You're going to do exactly what it is that you were required to do. Exactly what it is that you signed up to do that you forgot about. I mean, we all are born and forget the mission and then remember it, right? So now is the time. Harmony and balance are being restored in the earth. There are a lot of powers that are going to be upset. Powers that were brought into place by wicked devices, by lies, by greed. A lot of things that were set up and constructed and built upon lies, those lies are now being pulled. And everything, not some things, everything is being brought back into divine order. Divine order, okay? And no, I'm not a religious person, all right? I'm just a seeker of knowledge and a seeker of truth, okay? You want to know a little bit more about this balance and about the energy that's present right now? Look up the principles of Mayat, M-A''A'-T. That is what's happening right now. That's the energy that is happening in the earth. And for some, it's going to be a welcome and smooth transition. And for others, it's going to be a painful wake-up call. Who's the painful wake-up call going to be for? It's going to be for those who have built whole infrastructures on lies. Time's up. That's all I got for you, family. Don't wait anymore. Now's the time to act. Now is the time to act. Act upon that thing which you know needs to be done in your own life to restore harmony, truth, and balance in your life. All right? I love you guys. Tell somebody you love them and mean it. How do you mean it? You have to show it. Love is a verb. It is a noun as well. But when we focus on the verb, the noun always takes care of itself. I love you guys. Peace.